Ever looked up at the night sky and just wondered, what if we could just float out there? No bulky spacesuit, no helmet fogging up, just you, drifting among the stars. Imagine it. The Earth, a giant blue marble below, the Milky Way splashed across an endless black canvas. Total silence, total freedom. Sounds like a dream, right? If we could breathe in space, everything would change. Forget billion-dollar rockets just to send a handful of astronauts. Space travel would become as common as hopping on a plane. We could build cities on the moon, colonies on Mars, maybe even venture out to the moons of Jupiter. We'd be a truly interplanetary species. The final frontier wouldn't just be for a select few, it would be our backyard. We could explore asteroid belts for precious minerals, solving resource scarcity on Earth overnight. We could set up massive telescopes in deep space, unhindered by Earth's atmosphere, and finally answer the question, are we alone? Think about the art, the music, the poetry that would be inspired by seeing a sunrise over the rings of Saturn with your own eyes. It would be a golden age for humanity, a renaissance on a cosmic scale. But there's a dark side to this dream. Our bodies are perfectly tuned for Earth and only for Earth. The biggest problem isn't air, it's gravity. Without that constant pull, our bodies would start to fall apart. Within just a few weeks, your muscles would begin to atrophy, turning soft and weak. Your bones would lose density, becoming brittle and fragile, a condition similar to severe osteoporosis. You might get taller as your spine expands, but at what cost? Your heart, a muscle itself, would shrink because it wouldn't have to work as hard to pump blood. Your sense of balance would be completely thrown off. So we'd gain the stars, but we'd lose our strength, our very physical form. We would become these fragile, elongated creatures of the void. We'd be able to survive in space, but we might not be able to ever come home to the gravity we were born into. We'd trade our humanity for the cosmos. So, is it worth it? A fascinating thought, isn't it? If you enjoyed this cosmic what if, hit that like button and let me know your thoughts in the comments. And for more mind-bending scenarios and deep dives, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss a thing. See you in the next one.